Hello everyone, my name is Fu, the founding engineers of Fixzo, a service providers and seekers matching platforms. One of the core ideas is to allow providers to list any kind of service they like. To achieve this, we built a agentic chatbot to assist them through the listing process. Here is a demo. This is the landing page of our provider apps. If we search baseball, for example, we cannot find any related service. Let's create one together. What we can do is to ask AI by clicking these buttons. It will direct us to the agent. This is the desktop view. By mentioning what we want to list, for example, I teach baseball. The agents will look up our backend to see if this service is there. If not, it will create one for us. So the agent found that there is no such service. It will try to ask our permissions to proceed. Let's approve this. And then the agents will ask for the next steps. We can either set our rate or write a service descriptions. Let's first of all set up our rate first. So it will ask if we are in Calgary because I'm in here. So let's say yes. The agents give us a reference price. Let's set it higher, for example, 50 per hour. As you can see on the left-hand side, the web is also moving. After we set the price, let's make a compelling service description. The agent is going to ask us a few questions, and using these answers, it will create the description for us. Let's get started. The first question is about our skills level. Let's choose 2. We can always skip if we find these questions not related. And we can have more answers in the more icons over here. Two more to go. After we answer all the questions, it will ask for the tone. Let's go for professional. And then it will ask for the format. Let's choose bullet points. So the description is ready, and let's use this one. Next, the agents will ask for more photos of our service to make our profile more compelling. Let's search for some. Let's add these two. And then we can add the certificates. Let's put a random photos at this point. So right now, everything is ready. Things is uploaded, and also the descriptions are there. Let's see the preview of our service. And that's it. The agent helps us to make a service. Let's back to the mobile view. By clicking add skills, a new skills will be added. That's it. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you.